In this video, I'll show you how to block calls from no caller ID on your iPhone 15. It's a very simple process, and you can do it on any iPhone model. If you find this helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Settings. First, go to your iPhone's Settings application. This is the gear icon on your home screen. Step 2. Navigate to Phone Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. You'll see Apps as the final option. Tap on it. Step 3. Find your phone app. Now you'll see a list of all your installed apps. If you have many apps, instead of scrolling through everything, tap on Search Apps at the bottom of the screen. Simply type in Phone and tap on the phone app from the search results. Step 4. Configure call blocking for no caller ID. Once you're in the phone app settings, you'll see several options. Here's what you need to do to block calls with no caller ID. Option A. Screen unknown callers. Look for the Screen unknown callers setting. Tap on it and select Silence. This will automatically silence calls from unknown numbers, including those with no caller ID. They will be sent to voicemail and won't ring on your device. Option B. Unknown callers list. You'll also see an option to move missed calls and voicemails from unknown numbers to a separate unknown callers list. Toggle this on to keep your main recents list clean and organized. That's it. Once you've configured these settings, all calls from no caller ID and other unknown numbers will be automatically silenced and moved to your unknown callers list. You'll no longer be bothered by private or hidden numbers. If this tutorial helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Be sure to check out all our other tutorials as well. You might discover something you didn't know about. Thanks for watching.